do you use PlayerPrefs?
If you're a game developer and your game engine is Unity, you probably do. Or maybe you are more advanced and use a binary formatter, or too beginner to know what player perfs are. Well, according to Unity documentation, PlayerPrefs is a class that stores player preferences between game sessions. It can store string, float, and integer values into the user's platform registry, like the amount of in-game currency or player level or player name or any other data that you want to store and use later. An example of player verbs can be this. Uh, in this example, we are getting the player name from the saved data, and this is how we will save data so we can use it later. So what is the static player perfs? There's no such things as static PlayerPrefs. I just made that up. Actually, you can name it anything you want, but it's just something that I came up with. You can name it whatever you want, like my PlayerPrefs, player data, game data, my own PlayerPrefs, saved data, or whatever you want. So the method is we will use C# properties to read a particular PlayerPrefs and write it back. It's so simple, right? So what is a C# property? It's kind of both a variable and a function. I will put a link in the description so you can learn more about it. Okay, now let me show you what I mean by static player perfs. Now create a C# script and call it static player perfs. Open it up in Visual Studio and remove the mono behavior part because it's not a mono behavior, and let's create some C# properties. In this case, let's say we have a game and our game has coins as in-game currency. We want to create a property to read and write the amount of coin from the player perfs. The good thing about static player perfs is that you can use it everywhere in your project and you won't misspell a key, because if you do, you will get a compiler error and your game won't work and you know why. Otherwise, if you use the regular player perfs, you might misspell a key value and your game will break and you might not know why. Okay, an example of using it can be this. In this case, we are showing the amount of coin in a UI text in the Unity engine. Okay, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope I could help you and teach you something that I've learned. Consider subscribing and liking this video. And if you made it till here, please consider taking a look at my games, I would appreciate your feedbacks.